New videos from the last Ukrainian furious offensive keeps coming out. This maybe looks like a scene from Mad Max, but it's a Ukrainian soldier with a captured Russian invader. Somewhere in East Ukraine, liberated village, French and US foreign legionnaires are warmly welcomed by the locals. Extremely low overflight by a pair of Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopters. Captured Russian tanks in Kharkiv Oblast en route for repairs. Video of paratroopers from Ukraine's 25th Airborne Brigade with FV-103 Spartan armored vehicles and captured T-72B3 tanks in Kharkiv Oblast. The video shows abandoned Russian T-72B and T-72B over 1989 tanks.
Кевін на зв'язку. Смотрите, цвет рекламу, кровь. Ожидал уже домой, завтра обратно. В России, цвет.
For the first time, the armed forces of Ukraine captured the 152mm self-propelled guns Pantsir-S.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.